Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 8007 2EFE on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution is to check the status of Windows Update services. And how would we do that? For this, we will search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. And then we will scroll down to the Windows Update service, right click on it and then select start if it is not started, and if it is already started then restart it. Then scroll up and go to the background intelligence transfer service, right click on it and select start or restart. And then you can also do this for the cryptographic service. I'll show you. Right click on it and then select restart because it's already started. The next solution and the last one is to clear the contents of the software distribution and cat to two folders. Now don't go through that usual command prompt method explained on other websites. I'll give you the easiest method to do that. Disk cleanup, and yes, you can do it through it. I'll show you how. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup. Click on cleanup system files and then let it clean it up and then wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you'll notice that there was a session in which it said clearing up Windows Update files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.